Welcome to linuxhelp.com. Today I will show you how to install Typesetter CMS on Ubuntu 20.4.1. Typesetter CMS is an open source content management system which is written in PHP. It is very easy to use and manage the websites. It is faster than WordPress CMS. Let's go for the installation. Before installing Typesetter, check OS version by using below command. This is my OS Ubuntu 20.4.1. To install Typesetter, download Typesetter file. I had already downloaded the file. This is my file. We want to unzip the file. To unzip the file, type the below command. Once completed, check. Yes, the file was unzipped. I am going to rename the file. For that, type below command. The file was renamed. Next, to open Typesetter configuration file by using below command. In this file, type virtual host. Save and quit. Once completed, I am going to disable default configuration file by using below command. Once completed, I am going to enable Typesetter conf file by using below command. Once completed, I am going to enable module by using below command. After that, I am going to give ownership for Apache user. After that, I am giving permission for type. Once completed, restart the Apache by using below command. Once completed, go to browser. In here, type in this page email address. Set password. Install. The installation was finished. I am going to check website. With this method, installation of Typesetter CMS on Ubuntu comes with end. Thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe to Linux Help channel. To watch more tutorial, visit our website www.linuxhelp.com. For more queries, mail us to support@linuxhelp.com.